Hi, my name is David Hasebach. I'm the Technology Platform Head at the IMP, and together with Pavol Harar from the University of Vienna, we published a paper in the journal Structure. We developed FakET, an artificial intelligence-based algorithm that allows to simulate realistic electron tomograms. FakET uses neural style transfer. It applies the artistic style of one image, like a painting, onto another image, such as a photograph. In this case, FakET learns the unique style of the noise that the microscope naturally adds to its images. It makes the simulated pictures very realistic, almost as if taken directly from the microscope. With FakET, we can create high-quality data to teach computers how to identify and classify particles. This will enable researchers in the future to analyze their data easier and also to develop new software.